I decided to paint sunflowers. Naturally, the result was a disaster. The first attempt looked like it was painted by a parrot with a wet tail. The second one was so bad I had to go roll my eyes in the corner of the room for 5 minutes. Just me and my shame. For the third attempt, I picked up ink like a weapon. Didn't help. Still hopeless. Only on the 4th try did it actually work out, and you can see it for yourself. This one I was happy with, but as you'll see in the video, I should have gone bolder with more color. It's a bit flat. I was trying to capture that hot summer, sun-drenched brightness. Have you ever tried painting sunflowers? Let me know how it went for you.